Welcome back. The Professional Provident Society, also known as PPS, published their annual financial report. PPS, of course, is the financial services company that focuses on graduate professionals with honors levels or higher qualifications. We are joined by the company CEO, Izak Smit, to give us some perspective in terms of the financial performance. Izak, thank you so much for your time. Some very interesting aspects you mentioned here, especially when it comes to the unpredictable operating environment that we find ourselves in. Let's look back at the year that was for PPS. How did you do?
Yes, Natasha, it was an interesting year. Of course, we all know it was a pandemic year. So in our business, which focus on life and income protection, obviously there were a lot of claims. And actually that was a highlight for us. You know, we could assist our members in times of need. But then, of course, we also know the investment markets. It was good times over there. And our members also benefit from very good investment market returns.
When you look at the performance snapshots and the various, I suppose, let's call it various divisions within PPS, what were the standout or the highlight performances for you?
I think for me, just a big overall highlight was the value that we could return to our members. Our benefits that we paid out last year, 6.1 billion. It is a new record. And then this year we could also add 5.5 billion of profit share to our members' profit share accounts, those who've got qualifying products. So in total, more than 11 billion that we could return to members either as claims last year or benefit payments or profit share. Remember, in our very unique model, we don't have shareholders. There's not that stakeholder. Our members, in other words, our policyholders, they share in all our profits.
Let's talk about that unique model, because it's quite interesting. How do you access, I suppose, call it graduate students and new graduates into the PPS world, so to speak?
Yes, so our distribution channels, about 3/4 of our business come from independent advisors, from brokers. Very, very important channel for us, very important business partners. The other 25% from our own internal channel, our own agents. And a lot of new members, often youngsters who first time become eligible, so they complete their postgraduate qualifications. And when they qualify, they become members of PPS.
What has the, I suppose, call it the digital engagement been for that graduate market and other professionals out there?
Now, look, in this market segment, digital engagement is very important, and we do always continue to develop tools that those members can utilize. But then, due to the unique nature of our products, face-to-face advice also very important. It is, in fact, on the life side of the business, our only distribution channel is face-to-face. Our products are quite unique. It needs often the input from an advisor, advice. But that's not to say that we don't use, obviously, digital channels, you know, to do a lot of other things, engagement with us, for example, logging a claim, getting service, very, very important in this market segment.
The one thing is that, as you mentioned, it's a unique business model, and it also gives us a lens into what is happening in the world of professionals. What kind of data or trends are you seeing, especially when it comes to the interest of financial products and services by graduates, as well as, I suppose, even the immigration aspects of things? What kind of data are you able to glean from that?
Yes, look, this market segment, according to our research, our statistics, about 1.6% of the South Africa population that will qualify according to our eligibility criteria. It is a very unique market segment. It's the kind of people who are well trained. I mean, they can go and probably work anywhere in the world. They've got the skills for that. So immigration and immigration in this market segment is more than what it is in other market segments. So we continue to monitor that to give an idea. About a quarter of exits often from PPS is due to immigration. But then I'm happy also to say our exit's very low. I mean, we are our lapses only 5% per annum. So it means that our average member stays with us for a generation.
Izak, thank you so much for making time to chat with us this afternoon. That is Izak Smit, who is the CEO of PPS, talking to us about the company's financial performance. We're going to take a quick break. When we come back, we'll have more news, and that is it from me.